What's up guys, today we had a customer drop the Ford Transit and bought a body kit for it. It comes 18 pieces, so we're gonna prepare it, paint it and fit it. As you see right now it looks completely standard, but when the body kit fits it's gonna look absolutely amazing. It's gonna look completely different, it's gonna stand out. So that's pretty much guys, and it's time to crack on.
Try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree, cause you keep coming home to me. My eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone, but the beat in your body makes me otherwise, and I can't keep you alive, but I know, yeah I know, that the beat in your body being known so high, and I can't keep trying to deny, but I know. You know, you just postpone the heartache, cause you're scared. You just delay the heartbreak, cause you can. I worry about nothing when you're making me your enemy. God, I see my neck, yeah, I can see what you do. God, I see my neck, yeah, I can see what you do. But the beat in your body makes me otherwise, and I can't keep you alive, but I know, yeah I know, that the beat in your body playing notes so high, and I can't keep trying to deny, but I know, you know. You just postpone the heartache, cause you're scared. You just delay the heartbreak, cause you can. If you can come into me, if you feel you're suffocating, then let me go, let me go. If you cannot promise me, if you have a hard time breathing, then let me go, let me go.
Alright guys, we finally finished. We had to do a lot of modifications. We had to sand, we had to make metal plates. The best way to get this body kit done is to bind it to the body, but then you end up painting the full van. But that's the proper way to do it, because this is just a body kit, it's just to fit on. So this is what the customer wanted, which is done. It took us a lot of time to fit, but in the end we got it done. So that's pretty much guys. I'm gonna get the van outside and I'm gonna let you see it. I hope I see you guys on the next video.